Okay, let's make this quick because we're running late here. We're getting coffee because we have a pretty busy day ahead of us. We're gonna go to a Cars and Coffee at Honda of Serramonte in Colma. So we should check out some pretty cool cars. We might run into some friends there. And then from there, we're gonna kind of dial in our seats a little bit. Let's get to it. Okay, let's take a quick look at the car before we head to the meet. I'm already running a little late, but look at this thing. It is absolutely pristine right now. It's so clean. I spent a good 2 hours washing this yesterday, detailing it, even though I probably didn't have to. But I don't know if you guys are like me, but there's something very therapeutic about washing your car. I even polished the exhaust tips. Okay, let's get to this meet before we're late. Come on.
Oh my god. Every time I said that, every time I said that, he has the coffee cup like this. I feel like I couldn't really see your face. And then once you bring their drink,
Hazy.
like,
Hi, Hazy. Oh my gosh, she's an actual unit, dude. She looks bigger for sure. I can't tell if she just got like older, but
She's about to be 2 now.
okay, so you kind of got to go butt first, if that makes sense.
Like pretty much like a racing car.
Yep.
See, where's your handlebar?
Yeah, I don't have one. Sorry. Yep. Butt first.
Oh my
And
gosh.
if you're not ready for it, you're gonna eat it.
Oh my gosh, no. My hips are maxed.
already?
No, it feels like that.
Female hips.
It feels like that, but you're not. He can definitely fit. You can definitely fit. All right, let's see. Let me know what you think.
Oh man, it's gonna be just doing this, I'm like foam rolling my blood. Like that's how tight. Are you tracked already with these?
Not yet. I can't wait though. There were so many cool builds at this show. I really enjoy going to these meets and chatting with other enthusiasts about their cars. I go to Cars and Coffee meets all the time, so if you guys ever see me at one, be sure to say what's up. My favorite car at the meet was this Honda S2000. The Voltex dry carbon hood was so crazy to see in person, and apparently there's less than 5 of them in the United States. The car really reminded me of those JDM Toge Battle S2000s, and it really inspired me as I planned the next iteration of my car. Let's just say some big changes are coming for the next year. All right, what a fun meet. That was so dope. Shout out to BayAreaHAM for putting on a great Cars and Coffee. I even met a couple people that said they watched the videos, which is always surprising. I mean, I obviously make these YouTube videos for people to see them, but for some reason, it still really surprises and kind of shocks me when someone says like, hey man, I seen your videos on YouTube. So shout out to you guys who are tuning in. And I almost missed my exit. That's what I get for trying to film this while driving to the next spot. Speaking of the next spot, we're driving over to Mark's house. We're gonna do a couple installs. So Mark recently got the ISF. We're gonna install some coilovers on his car. And for my car, we're gonna dial in my seats a little bit. I'm still not super used to getting in and out of these bucket seats. I'm not graceful at all. And I feel like I'm damaging them like every time I sit down or get out of them. To help remedy that, I'm gonna be installing some bolster protectors from Recaro. I've never installed them before, so it should be interesting and hopefully pretty straightforward. From there, I think my seats will be done. I made it to Mark's house an hour later. It's not that bad of a drive, honestly. But Mark, what are we doing, dude?
Dude, so we're installing some coilovers on the ISF. We're making moves. We went with the HKS Hypermax S's.
Jeez.
Look at these bad boys, dude.
Let's get a little close up.
Don't mind the dirt all over me. And the coilovers should already come like corner balanced from factory. So no adjustment needed, probably some height adjustment just to get that flush fitment.
Okay, we're gonna slam this bitch.
Hell no, on the rails? Fuck that, no.
We're gonna slam this thing. I don't care what Mark says.
Nah, but at least get rid of that wheel gap.
Okay, while those guys are working on that, I'm gonna go ahead and try to install these Recaro bolster protectors. I've never done one of these. I can't imagine that it's gonna be that difficult. Okay, so this is what I was kind of fearing. In order to do this properly, we're gonna have to take the seat out. Of course we are. Okay, so let's get to it. Don't mind my Mugen box, just a little subtle flex here. Even with the seat rails on, super light. Okay, not that light. Seat rails are f***ing heavy. You basically have this piece, which is like a Velcro tape. You're gonna line it on the inside right here, kind of tucked. You're gonna have to move whatever material you have out of the way. There's like a little spring mechanism that keeps it in place. Stick this in there, and then you're gonna stick this side down, I guess, and then loop it over. You can kind of see where I placed the Velcro strip, and if I could do it all over again, I'd place it another inch towards the back of the seat for better fitment and coverage. Once you have the Velcro strip in place, attach the bolster cover, and then place the front strap under the seat cushion. The rear strap loops through the hole and back to the outside of the cover. Lastly, you can cut off the excess Velcro strap for a nice, clean look. To be honest, I wasn't really impressed with these bolster protectors. They felt kinda cheap, and when you consider how expensive they are, it's a bit of a letdown. Overall, they do what they're meant to do, which is protect these fancy seats from early wear and tear, and ultimately, that's the most important thing. Although, I wouldn't mind if Recaro offered these in different materials so that they would better match my seats. Unfortunately, I have to end the video right there today. Mark is still working on his coilovers, ran into a little snag. I gotta go home. But once the coilovers are in, if you guys wanna see a toge battle between the S2000 and the ISF, let us know in the comments below. Until next time.
Let's do it.
Peace out.
Later.
Take care.